Hi, it's Lori from Coast to Coast Craft Girls coming to you from the West Coast. I'm so excited. I got my next Spellbinders monthly club box, and this is my second month of getting the Spellbinders. It's the Caboodle Club, so it's kind of the everything club. And I haven't even opened it. I mean, I've opened it, but I haven't even looked at anything yet. So this is my first look right along with yours. So let's get everything out of the box and then we'll go through it one piece at a time. Just get the box out of the way. Okay, so the wax seal's on the top, so we're going to start with that. So it says, congrats on your new excuse me. It says, congrats on your new chapter. It's got some little purple, oh, I love that color, purple wax beads. So let's take it out of there. I want to see what it looks like. Wow, packaging is tough. So it looks like that. Yeah. Congrats on your new chapter. That's neat. And that purple beads, so that's fun. Okay, and then we've got a little castle die. It's kind of a build your own castle, so you get the little pieces so you can do different colors. That's cute. The stencil of the month is dynamic backgrounds layering stencils. Oh, look at that. That's really fun. Oh, I like those. These would be really fun for birthdays. It just reminds me of birthday to me, like candles or something. This is just fun. Okay. Then the Better Press book plate. Our Friendship is My Favorite Story. Love that frame. Yeah, it's two pieces. So the frame is one piece, the sentiment is a second piece, and then it's got a die to cut an aperture in the middle and a die to cut out the sentiment. So, wow, that's gorgeous. Love that. Okay. Our Glimmer of the month, and you see we got some blue, really pretty blue hot foil. Some lines. It says, our story is my favorite. Magical wishes for you. Coffee, books, and you. Enjoy your new chapter. So the theme is obviously books. And so this creates like little foiled lines and sentiments to use as a background. So it's kind of a background foil. Huh. Never seen anything like that. Well, that will be interesting to use. It's like a zoo bar. Like it needs animals in front, you know? I could just see it like with little silver lines and with zoo animals in there. That's what it reminds me of. Well, we'll have to play with that. And then we've got our stamp of the month and die. Oh, they're gnomes. So there's 3 different gnomes, one sitting on a stack of books, one reading, and one with a cup of coffee holding a book. And it says, Gnome doubt you, books and coffee are my favorite. Make this birthday one for the books. Long story short, thanks for everything. And then they've got dies to go with all of them. Gnomes aren't always my favorite, but these are really cute. And I mean, you could use these for lots of different things, occasions. I mean, because books and coffee are easy. Like you could use this for Christmas with a little hot chocolate, or you could, what would be really cute is to do this one and then make it the night before Christmas story. So, stamp like a little Santa or something and reindeer in there. That would be really cute for like Christmas cards even. The stitching die of the month it's like a stack of books and a coffee cup. I flip it over so you can see. So there's 2 different books. Oh, okay, these go together to make one. Here's one, and then these go together to make a second. And then you use your stitching to make like the pages inside the book. and to decorate the coffee cup. Oh, and it's got some really pretty flowers to go with the coffee cup, but you could use those flowers with a lot of different things. So those will be really, really good. The small die of the month is an owl and a book. Oh, that's so cute. Little owl standing on top of a book. And they're all separate, so you can make the little owl separate and use it anything. It's got like a little scarf if you want to put a scarf on him, or the little Harry Potter glasses, which you could use the little Harry Potter glasses for a lot of different things. Those are cute. The large die of the month is, it's books stacked up, and then this is an open book. So it's like you make a scene. Our Story is my favorite, is the sentiment. But see the stack of books, and then you got an open book, and then it's the house. Like if you were moving into a new house, or you're telling a story. That's really cool. Love that. The embossing folder. Oh, that's the same as that stencil. It's kind of a that wavy lines. And the embossing folders that you get here are really big. They're really good size. So they're 5.5 by 8.5. So you got really long. If you wanted to do a strip, a full 7-inch strip, or whatever 8-inch strip, you could do that. And then the 3D embossing folder is a classic. It's almost like that studded leather. So you've got the crosshatch with the dots. So anyway, that's my Caboodle Club of the month for this month from Spellbinders. Can't wait to play with this. Hope you liked our first look. Bye.